And here we are at the grand opening with our dear Jordan that's been with us the longest, and this is our office, or I'm sorry, our lunchroom, which we're going to be getting a table next week. And here's my office. I think we're kind of done. What do you think? Hey, Sebastian. Okay, so this is one of the other rooms, and I'm following Jordan wherever she goes, and she's like, go away.
Setting up.
Okay, and we're just still setting up. This is another office, primarily Jordan's office. No food in here. The food is in the lunchroom and in the front. And there is the lunchroom and the fridge and the microwave, and we will have a table right there, I swear. And this is another therapy room. And we have a staff of how many now, Tiff? We have a staff of like 6, I think. 3 interns, 3 practicum.
Practicum.
And we're